The Chinese character for 101 is 101. 101. 100 goes up. 0 1 101. So E is 1, character for 1. Okay, sorry, it's 101. 百 is 100. 0 is 0. 0 1 is 1 again. So 101 is 101. Okay. So E just once horizontal stroke, okay, from left to right. So this is number 1. 百 it's a character for 100. So horizontal, left falling, vertical, horizontal, vertical, horizontal, horizontal again. So 百 100. 0 is 0. So I have 横, vertical, and horizontal, vertical, a hook. So vertical, and then you have little 2 dots here on the left side, and little dots on the right side. And then you have a left falling, right falling, a little dot again. And you have a 横, horizontal, and you have a break here, and then here. So 0 0. And E is number 1. So 1 and 100 and 0 and 1. It's 101. 101. 101. 101.